Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I already put down a really thin black base because I want to try and make a cute little butterfly. I haven't done this in a while and probably not the best way to have my paint not in a squeeze bottle, but we're gonna make it work. So I'm gently going to put it in there. This is the hardest part, and I keep forgetting to breathe. Ooh. You want to put it just on the edge between the white and the black. I put it the wrong way around. Should have pulled from the top. Let's do the other side first, and then we are going to try and save the middle. It's actually looking like two swans or something. So there's the beaks and the feathers. So let's see if I can blow this. I'm going to turn the canvas around. It's easier. Let's see. They're hanging a little bit in nowhere's land, so I might want to make some waves. Let's just add some blue. Let's see. Should we swipe it? Should we chain pull it? Or should we wreck it with a comb? I think we're gonna use a comb. So I've got this tool. It's made for cake decorating. But let's just see what would happen if we use it on here. Let's go this side. Okay, let's call this done. I really liked how this went from a butterfly to a pair of swans on a lake. So let's hope it dries nicely. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.